Welcome back. I'm meteorologist Jake DeReese. Today we're dealing with the first round of winter weather in the morning hours of Tuesday, continuing on later this evening with even more snow and possible mixing. We're starting off with snow Tuesday morning impacting our morning commute. High temperatures reaching just above freezing today to allow for possible wintry mix as well. We're also quite breezy. We're expecting in Lansing today to exceed 30 miles per hour for wind gusts, mainly from the 11 a.m. into the early afternoon hours today. That's going to impact once we see the snow this morning, some limited visibility. Here's that Clipper system moving through this morning as a warm front advances through, followed by a cold front later on this evening. Behind it, another Clipper system that will start to impact us this evening into tomorrow as well, bringing more snowfall as well as some possible mixing into rainfall in the overnight hours Tuesday into Wednesday morning. We can expect some sloppy road conditions possible Tuesday morning and Wednesday morning. Let's take a look at our satellite and radar. We're already seeing this moderate to heavy band of snowfall move through the state of Michigan, including all of our neighborhoods. Mainly we're watching for the 7 o'clock hour. We're starting to see it inch in here in the 6 o'clock hour this morning. By the time we reach 9 a.m., that band of snow will be moving out of the way. But on the back end, as we continue to warm our temperatures, we have a chance to see some freezing drizzle and mixed precipitation move through our neighborhoods through the early afternoon hours. This can continue to keep our road conditions quite messy with some possible slick spots, but limited visibility should be ended by that time. As we continue into the late afternoon hours, this is when we're going to take a break with just mostly cloudy skies. But then we move on, we're going to be seeing more snow on the way. But first, for the first round, we could be seeing 1 to 2 inches of snowfall for most areas north of I-94 and up to 1 inch of snow for areas south of I-94 from that moderate to heavy band as it moves through, with light ice possible across all of our neighborhoods. Here's our next system. As early as 8 o'clock tonight, starting to see snow creep in from the southwest. As we continue on, we're looking to start off as snow all the way through midnight tonight. Past midnight is when we'll start to see mixing as the center of low pressure starts to advance into the state of Michigan. We're going to continue to see mainly rain showers along and south of I-96 from around 3 a.m. to about those mid to late morning hours before we start to mix back into our winter weather precipitation of snow for the back end of this system through the back half of the morning hours into the early afternoon, with a lake effect snow setup taking place the rest of the day Wednesday and possibly into Thursday morning. So for that second round, we could see 2 to 4 inches of snow for northern neighborhoods, 1 to 2 inches for southern neighborhoods. But again, that green circle showing the mixing into rainfall could really hinder some of these heavier snowfall totals. So it's definitely something that we're going to be watching out for very closely. Our Super 7-day forecast shows all of this mixing is also aided by the fact that we're warming our temperatures a bit. Today, highs at 33 degrees. Tomorrow, we're expected to warm into the mid-30s, 35 degrees. This is a bit warmer than we've seen in quite some time. However, we will be cooling back down with highs in the mid-20s Thursday and Friday, with renewed snowfall potential through the end of the week. And for the rest of the 7-day forecast, yes, even this weekend, we're expecting another Clipper to move through late in the week, bringing more snowfall as we continue to cool. Lower 20s Saturday into the upper teens on Sunday as overnight lows turn back into the single digits. Overnight Sunday into Monday, overnight lows are at 5 degrees and highs looking to warm back into the lower 20s by Monday.